the future of orthopedics, not only in India, but the future of orthopedics in the world. I wish you all the best and I pray that you succeed in your ambitions to be a better achiever, more achiever, and giving back something to the society. Wish you all the best.
The very important thing is that you should continue your learning and never give up.
I think you all are very fortunate to be the first batch which has occupied these chairs. The role of this platform is to make you achieve a level of perfection.
It is important to learn the keyword when you are answering the OSCE and try to give the keyword prominently in your answer. That is what the examiner is looking for.
If you could clear one question out of this course, you can pass through that DNB exam easily.
How was the session today for DNB OSCE yesterday?
Yesterday it was very nice. It was like a rapid revision of our DNB practical exam, which will be on 27th and 28th.